Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am a homeschooling mama of two, ages 11 and 6. I work outside of the home in the evening times, and in the summer we sell fireworks. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. We are going to vacuum the carpet in the kitchen. Yes, I said vacuum the carpet in the kitchen. I know for a lot of people it's normal, and for some people they think, oh, that's crazy. When we bought the house, there was already this carpet, and the carpet also ran into the dining room. As you can see right there, it's hardwood floors that were underneath, so that was lucky for us. Once we get to the kitchen, we will thankfully take the carpet up. Right now, our main focus is to get as much done outside before Indiana winter hits, and then once we move inside, we would like to get our half bath put in upstairs, and then I think we're going to try to tackle the kitchen. For those of you that haven't watched our more recent videos, we are planning on finishing our house and trying to get it on the market come this spring before fireworks season hits, and try to get out of town. We had some problems with some neighbors this past summer with our fireworks business, so we thought it best that we just head out of town, and that way we're not making people nervous. This has been a good house for us, a good first house, but unfortunately it is time to move on and make new memories somewhere else together. By the time this video is uploaded, it will be the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So how many of you are hosting this year? Thankfully, we don't have to host. I know a lot of people enjoy it, but as an introvert, it is very stressful for me. We usually go to my grandparents', and we've gone there for as long as I can remember. So we're not sure what we're going to be doing after we sell our house, whether we're going to build or just buy a house that's already there. But I did tell my husband that one of the things that I would like to see is that our house is all one story. Call me lazy, I don't care. I do not want an upstairs in my house so that I don't have to go up and down the stairs 500 times. Or clean them in this case. Pretty much all we use for our upstairs right now is storage for our fireworks store, and we sell toys in the wintertime or the Christmas season time. So it's pretty much just a storage area, plus it's also not finished. But of course we're gonna have to work on that. I honestly don't think that our kids would sleep upstairs even if it was finished. Actually, I know they wouldn't, because I've asked them if they would sleep upstairs, and they said no. They've always been close to mom at night, but maybe with a little bit of time they would adjust to it. But for now, we're just using the upstairs as storage. And we finally reached the top. We have a long-haired cat, and her food and water and litter box and everything are upstairs, so she frequents these stairs a lot, and there was a lot of cat hair. And now that we are at the top of the mountain, we get to tackle the upstairs, which is a hot mess because, like I said, we use it for storage, and we're also in the middle of renovations, so we have stuff for our half bath, and these are the toys for our Christmas booths that we do in December. These are some signs or banners that we use at our fireworks stores, and instead of putting them in the attic space, we just drop them on the floor upstairs, so let's get them put away. In order to get into our attic space, we have this little dinky door that we have to crawl through basically, and but then there's quite a bit of space once you get inside. The kids can fit inside a little bit better than we can, but if you bend down a little bit, you can fit in here pretty good. And contemplating what to do next. I may or may not have been getting a little overwhelmed at this point. The closet looking thing to the left of me there it was in fact a closet. The door was facing the stair rail. We closed that up and then opened up the side of it, and we are going to turn that into a little reading nook. We've got it wired up for a little light in there, and even a place to plug in a phone or anything else that you might want to plug in there. So eventually that will be a reading nook. Right now it is more storage. This cord is going to be the death of me, guys. The death of me. this is the moment where I accidentally sucked up one of the cat's toy balls and had to run downstairs and get a pair of scissors to dig it out of the sweeper. These bags here are toys that people have commented on our Facebook page, and they are just waiting for pickup. And everything in the corner there are the toys that are not sold and that we will be taking to our Christmas booth that we are doing again this year. We are hoping that we can find one more pallet of toys, but right now they are very difficult to find. And these are all of the boxes for the stuff for the bathroom, or half bath, and of course they're both empty. The toilet's on the bed, and there's the sink and the pedestal for the sink. And after what feels like several days of vacuuming, we are just about done. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and cleaning with me today. I want to wish a wonderful Thanksgiving to all of my friends out there, and until next time, bye guys.